My, my name is Yvonne. Abonne. This is my place of work. This is my office. I have my desk where there is a computer. There is a chair. There are office implements such as sewing machine, drying machine, pencils, markers, and there are several work documents. There is a waiting room where there are two chairs. There is a file where there are several boxes of documents. There is a warehouse where the products are stored for dispatch. There is a kitchen with dining room, fridge, oven, and kitchen implements. There are three bedrooms, two for women and one for men. Thank you.